welcome to the channel. This week on Scottish Van Trips, we're going to be checking out North Berwick. Now, by this stage I've probably sold my camper van, so I'm pre-recording this and I'm going to go out and walk around the town with you just now, show you the best bits. I've already recorded some footage previously in the van that I've not released yet, so let's go and check that out too. So this is going to be a mix from different seasons, different times of the year, and let's go and see what North Berwick's got to offer. I'm also going to take you to one of the best park-ups in the whole of Scotland. It's got the most amazing sea view. You can watch the sunset if you get there early enough and get a space, because it's pretty popular. It can get pretty busy, but it is absolutely spectacular. Let's go and check that out now. That's a ridiculous place to park. Definitely worth a visit to Alanda's if you're down here. What an absolutely stunning night, absolutely stunning. You don't get many of these in a year. This is just incredible. So over here, as you probably guessed, this is Tantallon Castle. If you're down in East Lothian, this is another absolutely classic spot. It's £3 entry to bring a car down or a van. You're not allowed any campfires and you're not allowed any overnight stays. That's really unfortunate, but obviously people have ruined it in the past. It is private property and you have to be respectful as always, but if you want to just come down and watch the sunset, it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, what's better than this? And the reason for bringing the bike down is I'm just about to crack open a beer. Magic. Sun's right. Trying to do something creative and the sun's right in my face. And the dog's tangled up. It's all going wrong. Oh my god, what a mess. Try and create videos, look at this. What a mess you're in. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. There we go. Right. So, this was the opening shot for a video around the coastal walk from the park up that I've just showed you in North Berwick. And the reason for me spinning around is the dog keeps going the other side of me and twisting the lead. Lovely calm morning walk, Instagram photos, very chilled. No, stressed up to my eyeballs. The dog's been pulling me over when I've been on the slippery rocks. It's not worth it, is it? It's rubbish. Right, here's another spin. You behave. Okay, so down to the nuts and bolts of the matter. So basically, when you leave the car park, the upper car park, where we just showed you on screen, the park up, it's an amazing place. You can walk along the coast, and as you've just seen, it's absolutely incredible. I'm going to stick the drone up in a minute and show you some better footage. I know this skips a bit. Typical kind of GoPro footage, it does skip when you turn it. But this is incredible. And look at that. Over there you've got the Bass Rock. It's so beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed our wee trip to North Berwick. We've left the GoPro in the van, so filming on the phone, apologies, I'm going to have to snip this and make it fit. But yeah, it was a really nice night, peaceful night. There was only, I think the bucket lorry turned up at 6 AM to empty the bins. Did you hear that?
No.
No?
I was sleeping.
So yeah, bucket lorry turned up to empty the bins. That was the only thing with that spot. But the solo stove was amazing. There was very little ash, it was burning hot, really nice, and then it cooled down really quickly so we could pack it away. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this week's Scottish van trippers, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.